In this video, I'll walk you through one of the modularized application which I have built from scratch. This application is a producer-consumer application where producer is entering number into a queue and consumer is taking number from the queue. And there is a client which initiates the consumer and producer. So let me just run this example, because when I run it, it becomes very clear that what this application does. So you can see that producer is entering number in the queue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and consumer is taking number away from the queue. So this is a very simple application which I have built to explain how you can modularize your application using modules in Java. This application is also integrated with Maven. So you can see that with Maven we can build this application and different jar files. Inside each application or each module, we have a module info.java which contains whether it is required by different modules or whether it is exposing itself to different modules. So for example, here this is basically saying that export com dot, you can use this, you're exporting this, so it can be consumed by other modules. So here it says that I am requiring this module, and producer is saying that I am exporting this module, so it can be used by other modules. Also, this application has integration with Maven, so I can build this application using Maven. So these are all those lifecycle events which I can do. For example, if I want to build this module, which is a consumer module, then I just click over here and compile. And it will compile this module. So it finished compiling it, and once the compilation is done, then it will create an artifact which can be used by the client module. Now let's run the client module package. And you can see that it built the client application, client module. So these are the three modules which we have in our application, and we'll be building this application from scratch in order to show you how simple and easy it is to build the modularized applications.